Good day, friends, and welcome to TinkerHUNT 13. Friends, this is a free Tinkercad scavenger hunt. You click the link in the description, you'll be able to copy and tinker this project, and your job is to find these 5 characters: a jack-o'-lantern, a rocket, the get crackin' dude, a celebrating HLModTech kid, and a unicorn dude. I have hidden them all throughout here. They are tiny. This will be gone when you launch the project, and you'll have to hunt like this. Friends, click on any item in the house and press the letter F, and it lets you fit view. Then you can right-click drag to look around. You can also gently use the view cube to look around. You can scroll your wheel back or use the minus and the plus as you zoom and try and find the items. I will warn you, if you do Control H, I've hidden things in items. If you want to bring all the items back, you can do this. Once again, you can also click on this button to hide them and then just bring them back as well. When you want to zoom out, you can hit this button. This project is a ton of fun. It's a challenge, and if you solve it correctly in the comments below or on my website using the messenger tool, I will give you a shout out in next week's video for being successful. Friends, we had 2 successful solutions this week from Aviuk and from Muhammad. We also had an attempt from Nano Ray, which was awesome. Friends, when you solve it, it should be like this. Tell me the character you found, where they were, and which house number they were in. It's that simple. You can do it as a list or you can do it as a long sentence. But if you get them correct, I will give you a shout out in next week's video. I have quickly signed into a separate account, friends. This is what the project link looks like. When you click on this, if you have never signed up for Tinkercad, you will have to click sign up to copy. If you click on the images, you will be able to see who the winner was last week. You can see I added that image there. Let me show you how easy it is to sign up and copy. When you hit that button, I always recommend hit sign in. On this window, I choose sign in with social providers, and on this one, I choose sign in with Google, and then bring in your Gmail account. It's that simple. Now you can hit copy and tinker, and just like I showed you a moment ago, you can click on any item, hit the letter F, zoom in, and take a look around as you're trying to find the 5 characters. If you want a reminder of what you're trying to find, don't forget you can hit the home button, and you can click on the little notes where I tell you what you're finding, and I give you the instructions for how to solve it. Friends, I will remind you also, if you back out to the Tinkercad main menu, if you're having a lot of fun with these, don't forget, you can click search, you can go to people, and if you do HLModTech and press enter, you will find my profile. Once you click on that, you will see all the Tinker Hunts. Right now, they're sorted by likes. Friends, it is so cool when you give somebody feedback. Notice this one, we have 210 likes. That is just so fun. You can see what kind of feedback you got. I love that. If you switch it instead by latest, you'll be able to see the latest creations. You can see here was TinkerHUNT 12, and in a minute, you'll be able to find TinkerHUNT 13. Once again, if you click those and give some feedback, it is totally appreciated. Of course, you can also hit copy and tinker and try and solve all the old ones as well. Friends, if you're unable to add comments via YouTube videos, don't forget you can also visit my website. It is HLModTech.com. I have got a page dedicated to Tinkercad, which even has all the hunts right there if you want to find them quickly. And it also has a sweet built-in messaging tool. You can fill in your information, click the send button, and reach me almost instantly. Friends, I hope you have fun solving this week's Tinker Hunt. Make sure you look forward to a brand new one next Sunday. And of course, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Even hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you got a question, comment, or solution, add it down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.